अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। Today we are going to make Chinese rice, but instead of using boneless, we will use whole meat with bones. And first we will wash our chicken. Let's see ingredients: peas, capsicum, carrot, and garlic. And I'm going to use 2 whole eggs, not only yolks. Some people use only yolk. And next ingredients is soya sauce. I'm using 4 tablespoons of soya sauce. I'm taking 1.5 kg rice and 1 kg chicken, and this one is sirka, white sirka. It is also 4 tablespoons, and salt is 1.5, and this one is red chili as per taste. And we will add 2 tablespoons sugar in it, and also we will add Chinese salt, 1 black pepper. And first we will boil rice 90% and set aside. We'll add oil in a pan and garlic, cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Then we will add chicken in it, and once it become white, its color will be white, we will add salt and chili and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes, and then we will add water in it. Chicken and peas become soft. We are using whole meat. And on the other hand, add some oil in a pan and make 2 eggs without adding anything, and fry capsicum. We will fry capsicum and egg in a different pan, and we will cook garlic with peas and chicken in a different pan. Mixing all these ingredients, we will add Chinese salt, sugar, black pepper, soya sauce, and sirka. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that you can then make layers of rice and chicken paste. Your first layer should be of rice, and then second of chicken, and so on. Your last layer is also of rice. Cook for 4 or 5 minutes on slow heat, and now it's ready to taste. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.